Alright, this time don't round your upper back. But put the bar on your back and start squatting. Do not round your upper back. Keep your back neutral. That's better. Good. Give me 3 more. Tak apa nih? Keep your upper back, keep your whole back neutral, but what you're doing with your knees is correct. You want to have a slight bend in your knees, but try it again with your back neutral, just the way it was with your squat.
Just let me go.
Yeah. Come up. Don't bend your knees as much. It's more of you're bending from your hips. Yeah, that's better. You can have a slight bend in your knees. Yeah, that's good. Give me 3 more of the same technique. Slight bend in your knees, but bend from the hips. Yeah, good. That's. Don't bend your knees as much. Knees bend, that's enough. Yeah, exactly. That's good. 2 more of those reps. Up. Last one. Don't bend your knees too much. That's enough. Up.